Hello, Ibrahim here. Today we're going to show you the type of the valves and which one you will need for your towel rail radiator. There is basically two types of towel rail valves. The one is the TRV, which is known as thermostatic radiator valves, and the other one is the manual valves, which you can close it, turn it on and off the flow from central heating. TRV thermostatic valves, which will regulate the temperature of the radiator according to the room temperature. With the numbers from 1 to 5, you can easily turn the radiator on and off individually per room rather than controlling the whole house. It is ideal, for example, if you have two hot rooms upstairs and not enough heat downstairs, you can turn the upstairs radiators temperature down to 3, 2 and find your sweet spot. The manual valves has no gauge, so you don't know how much flow is open and close. So these are mainly just to turn the flow off or on completely. And also it makes the connection between your central heating pipes and the radiator. We have a few different types of the valves: straight valves, angle valves and the corner valves. They all fit into different type of pipes which comes from the wall or from the floor. If you look at the angle valves, you can see that there's a 90 degrees angle from central heating pipes to your radiator. On straight inline valves, we have a straight line, hence the name's coming from straight, and these valves for floor pipes for your towel radiators, which is recommended for pipes coming out of the floor. As you can see on this valve, the reason it's being called straight, the line from the towel rail to the pipe goes straight in line. So normally we recommend the knob of the valve installed underneath, so it's not extending the projection from the wall. However, also can be installed as this way, which knobs sticking out. The other one is the angle valves, which draws 90 degrees angle between your towel rail and the central heating pipe. Angle valves for pipes coming out from the wall. As you can see, we have 90 degrees angle which goes towards the wall. Another type is the corner valve. This valve is for pipes coming out of the wall, so you can hide the controller handle underneath the radiator. This is the third type of the valves, which is a corner for pipes coming out from the wall. And as you can see, the knob of the valve is in line parallel to the radiator, so the projection is kept the same. There's no extra projection due to the valve. The radiator and towel rail valves are all standard. It's a 1/2 inch BSP thread, we call it. However, it is not 1/2 inch diameter. Please do not get confused. It is for 15mm pipes as a standard. If you have a microbore pipes, which is 8 or 10mm, you will need to use the reducers. We have a video for that. Please check the description for the video link. Please like our video and subscribe to our channel. If we miss any point in this video regarding the valves, please comment below. Hope to see you in the next video.